What's the meaning of Colchester? Colchester. Colchester.
Colchester. Colchester. Colchester is a town in the county of Essex, England. It is believed to be Britain's oldest recorded town, with a history dating back over 2,000 years. The name Colchester is derived from the Latin name Camulodunum, which means fortress of Camulos. Camulos was a Celtic god of war and hunting. Colchester was the capital of Roman Britain and was heavily fortified during the Roman era. Today, it is a vibrant town with a rich cultural heritage and many historic buildings and landmarks.